Did you ever see what one of them bombs